Hi guys, welcome to another interesting video on the Digital Anke YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a responsive footer with Elementor Pro in WordPress. So before we start this video, if you want to create a footer like this and it should show up across your website, then you need to have Elementor Pro. Okay guys, I put a lot of efforts to make these videos for you and I don't get anything from that. If you feel like supporting this channel, you can use the affiliate link that I have provided in the description box below to purchase Elementor Pro. If you go to the pricing page, you will find many options to choose from. Okay, recently Elementor has updated its pricing plans and added a couple of more plans. Earlier this Essential was Personal and this Advanced was Plus. And then this Expert plan got completely changed to the Agency now. If you are just starting, then you can go with this plan. Again, it's up to you to decide the best plan according to your requirement. Alright, as you can see, I have designed this footer for my website, Digital Anke, and this will be shown across my website. Let's say if I click on the software page, the footer will be displayed here as well. So how do we do this? Yes, I'll show you guys the step-by-step process. I have logged into my WordPress dashboard. From there, I'm going to click on Theme Builder under Templates. This option you will see only in Pro version. Now you can create any of these inside Elementor. So you are just replacing the theme settings with these custom options. So if I click on Footer, you will see this footer template. So I'll just briefly explain what I did for this footer. I have created two sections with 4 columns for the first section and 2 columns for the second section. This is image widget. Below that there is a text editor, heading, nav menu, heading, social icons, and all these are headings with links inserted on that. So to demonstrate, I'm gonna go to Theme Builder again and click on Add New, select Footer and name it Footer V2 Tutorial. Click on Create Template. Okay, now with Elementor Pro, you get this ready-made Pro footer template, which you can choose. I'll show you. If you click on Preview, you can see the footer design. If you like it, then click on Insert to import onto your web page, and then replace the links and text. So I'd like to design on my own, so I don't need them. Click this away. But I'm gonna show you how we can make a custom footer template like this. So I will select this section and I'm gonna add the background color. So click this section and go to Style and select black color. And after that, I'm gonna select 2 column section. I'll go to this design and select this section and copy the color code and go back to my footer design and paste that code here. As you can see, we have the same color now. Next, I'll add the heading widget, and after that, I'm gonna add a text editor widget. Now we need to change the color to white. So let's go to Style and choose the color white. We also need to make sure we choose the right font. And for the heading text, okay, I have used Nonito Sans with font size 20 and weight 700. I'm going to set the same, go to Style and click on Typography, and I'll change the font family to Nonito Sans. And I'll add the font size 20. Now to make the things easier, what I'm going to do is duplicate the columns. Just right click and click on duplicate. We got to do it 3 times. Okay, now we have 4 columns. First I'm going to delete the heading widget here, and then I'll add the image widget. Let's make it full and I'll choose the logo. Next, I'll add the content. So what I'm going to do is copy the content which I have in my text doc and paste it here. So in the Elementor text editor, when you paste the text, it doesn't show on the page. So what you can do is just click on Visual and then click on Text. So now it displays the new text. Now let's expand the column width and then make sure the logo is aligned to left. Let's replace this heading to menu and delete this text editor and add the nav menu widget, and it's messed. I don't need this underline. So to fix this, go here and change the layout to vertical and change the pointer to none. Now let's change the text color to white. Change this heading to social links and this to recommended tools. Now go to search and type social and drag and drop this widget here. I'm going to change this to LinkedIn and this to Instagram. To change the color, go to style and select custom here, and after that keep the primary to transparent and secondary to white. Make sure it's aligned to left. So we need to add this row of icons set. Just right click on this and duplicate it, and now you just have to change the icons. So I'm going to choose Pinterest, Telegram, WhatsApp and YouTube. So you can add the button links here. Finally, we have to add these links. So what I'm going to do is delete this text editor and drag the heading widget. I'll change the color to white and set the text size to 15. Now I'll just duplicate this 5 times. Okay, I have updated the text as well. So we have successfully completed the first section. Now let's add the heading text to the second section. Before that, we need to give some padding. Unlink this and give it 10 to the top and 10 to the bottom. So now drag and drop the heading widget. So I'll go here and copy this text and paste it here, and also change the color to white and click on typography and change the font family to Montserrat and font size 15. At last, we need to add one more thing here. So just copy this and right click paste. Make sure it's aligned to right and this to left. We need to replace the text to designed by Digital Anke. You can add this link here. So we have achieved exactly the same design. One last thing, you need to make sure the responsive design. So click on responsive mode here, and as you can see, it's not aligned properly. I'll keep this logo center aligned and this text to center. So to remove this space, just unlink this and give some padding, 20 to the right and 20 to the left. So I have added this menu section on the responsive mode. So to do that, select this section and go to advanced and click on responsive now. Hide on mobile, turn it on. This way you can hide the section. I'll also hide on tablet. So now it will be shown only on desktop version. Now change the alignment to these sections as well. So finally, we have successfully adjusted the responsive version. Go back to desktop mode and click on publish. It asks where do you want to display your template. So we need to add condition. You can set to entire site or archive page or on singular, which means you can display on a particular page like front page, post page. It's up to you to decide. Once you click on save and close, it should show up on whichever page you set here. So I'm not going to do that as I've already created one. This is just for the tutorial purpose. So that's it guys. Now we have the nice looking footer. So hope you guys have enjoyed and learned something new from this tutorial. Let me know in the comment section about your experience doing this, or if you have any sort of doubts regarding this, feel free to ask me the questions. I'll be more than happy to help you. So if you are new here, then please subscribe to this Digital Anke YouTube channel, because a lot of cool videos on Elementor will be coming soon. Thank you guys. See you in my next interesting video. As always, keep learning new things and share your knowledge. Peace out.